a stud that comes up through the corner of the backlight display board. Use a flathead screwdriver to carefully pry up on the edges of the board. Carefully lift straight up to remove the backlight display board from the operator interface board. Place a 1.5-inch long strip of 1/2-inch wide double-sided adhesive tape on the reverse side of the board. Thread the stud through the hole in the corner of the board, making sure the cables to plug in the display are facing up, down, and away from the LCD. Press firmly to ensure good and easy contact. Reconnect the operator interface board cable to the backlight display board. Line up the socket on the LCD board with the operator interface board and the 4 screw slots on the edges of the LCD, and firmly press down to plug in the socket. Replace the 4 Phillips head screws. Do not over-tighten the screws. Only tighten them enough to ensure the display will not move. If they are over-tightened, it can damage the metal exterior of the display. Once the screws are in place and the display does not move, loop the cables through the clips and plug them into the backlight display board. The top cable is routed through the clip upward and back down to plug into the backlight display board. If either plug is not going in easily, flip the plug over. The cables only plug in one direction.